Hi guys, how are you? I think everyone is well. Today I'm showing you my Streamlit apps. I create these two Streamlit apps by using open source code. I took the open source code from GitHub and changed to according my needs. These two apps are dashboard apps. Without wasting time, let's start the video. This is first app and before this app look like this. The new things that I add in this app, I add 3D scatter plot and bubble plot of USA map. You do many things in this app. You can select the year by population to show the population year by to you select, and also you can select on the sidebar a theme of plot. This is a amazing dashboard app. If you want to add more chart and more KPI, you can easily add by coding and by using ChatGPT and other AI tools. You can easily add. I also use the ChatGPT to create this map and 3D scatter plot. This repository contains the actual code of the app. There is the also a data set that is reshaped. Okay, and this man is the owner of that repository and the app also. Okay, he also have a YouTube channel and he teach also data science, Python or etc. I also follow this man. This is my second dashboard app. I also remake this app. Before this app look like this. Before this app contain are two plots, sell by year, sell by product. I also add in this app themes and four more plots. I add bubble chart plot, heat map plot, and sunburst chart plot, and I also add a tree plot. On the sidebar, you can also filter the city and customer type and gender. You can also change theme you which you want. Okay, and you also see here how the colors of plot are changing, but the last plot bubble chart plot is not changing it color. This is the real repository of the code of app. You can also download here a dataset and a code or a file if you need. This is my repository where the code of both apps is here. You can easily copy there. You can easily copy the code from here and download the file easily, and also download the dataset to use in this app easily. This is profile of my GitHub. Also follow me there and also follow me on social media platforms. Okay. Okay, go to the Google search and search GitHub. Then go to the GitHub search bar and search Muhammad Ahmed Bhutta. then my profile appear there. Streamlit project 1.10. This is repository where the my code of both apps is here. Okay, bye bye. We meet again.